What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. Today's video is pretty cool. I wasn't expecting to make a video today, but based off of something that happened yesterday, I knew that I had to do a video for you guys. So yesterday, I got a notification from the sneakers app around, I think it was around like noon, or possibly a little before noon, saying that I had exclusive access to the Lightning Jordan 4's. Wasn't expecting that. I wanted it, don't get me wrong. I had heard off Twitter that they were going to be doing exclusive access for the 4's. So obviously I was hoping that I would get it, and I did. So got the notification saying that I had exclusive access. I immediately, went on there and ordered my size in the shoes, paid for 1-day shipping. So today we got the 4's in. It's really cool. It's about 8 days now before actual release, so we'll get to do like an early review, which is really, really cool to be able to do that here on the channel. But I also got something else in I wanted to show you guys. I have the Travis Scott Fragment shorts that I got off of the sneakers app last week. They came in as well, so pretty neat. But you guys aren't here to see that. You're here to see these. Super dope. Like the fact that they did the tour yellow top to match the shoes and everything was really nice. So yeah, let's just go ahead and dig right into it, man. So obviously first you have the tour yellow top here on your box, standard Jordan 4 retro box with the cement print bottom. Have your size tag there with the retail price of $220. So I think obviously I paid $220 for these, and then overnight shipping was like $15, I think. So with taxes, overnight shipping and everything, it turned out to be $250. But I have them early, so I was gonna open them up on the channel for you guys like I did with the Jordan 11 lows, the Legend Blues, but I could not wait. I wanted to go ahead and see how they looked. So yeah, I just had to go ahead and open them up. So let's go ahead and look together and see what we have here. Like I said, I've obviously already opened this up and I have looked a little. Just have your gray top on the inside of the lid here, the lift-off lid. Have your paper, and then you have the shoe. Nice. It's a clean shoe, man. So clean. We're just gonna pop one of them out here. I don't think that we need them both to do, first impressions, general review of the shoe. So this is it. Let's see if I can actually move some of this out of the way for us here. Let's see. Maybe that works. Yeah, it should be okay. All right, cool. So we have the shoe here, man. So nice. Look at that. Looks so good. So for those of you guys who don't know, this colorway originally released in 2006 as a part of like a Lightning and Thunder pack that they did. The Thunders were black and yellow. These are the Lightnings. These were supposed to release on August 7th of this year, but it got pushed back to August 28th of this year, which, luckily we're still able to get them, a little early. They have the white and gray midsole and outsole here. Now, I haven't seen the originals in person, but judging off of pictures online, it looks like on the originals it's black and white midsole along with the outsole. You do have your yellow Jumpman here. Really nice touch. This colorway, it looks really good. To me, this is, whenever I originally saw these, I knew that I had to get them. Looks really good. I was gonna pay resale because I'm like, chances are if I have to wait until everyone's trying to get them on sneakers, like I'm not gonna get them. But like I said, I heard on Twitter they were gonna be doing exclusive access yesterday, and I remember telling my fiance, I'm like, I really hope I get them. I didn't think that I would, but obviously I had high hopes that I would, and I have them, man. So nice. You have this suede and nubuck upper. along with your black netting, your gray leather straps here. You have your black buckles here. Almost looks gray on camera, but black tag here. I'm not a huge fan of the laces, though. They may grow on me, but I'm really not a huge fan of them. Honestly thought that it would look better with, black laces. Gray laces, maybe? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. What color laces you think will work with these the best, because I'm not a real big fan of the yellow laces on here. But it could grow on me. Really could grow on me. The quality of the suede and nubuck here is really, really good. On the back, you do have your Jumpman logo here. It's black. The camera's picking it up with the reflection as gray. Have your heel tab here. You have your reverse Air Jordan tag on the inside of the tongue here. Insole, white, gray Jumpman. Yeah, that's pretty much the shoe, man. Another thing I noticed looking on the pictures of the older release, the 2006 release, the inside of the air unit here was gray, whereas on here, let me see if I can get it to pick up. On here it's white. But judging based on the pictures I saw earlier of the older ones, it did look gray on there. Yeah, dude, this is really, really good shoe. Let me know if you guys got exclusive access, if you've gotten these in hand yet, or if you're waiting on them to come in. Let me know if you're going to be trying on the 28th on Sneakers app, in which case, good luck. Super dope shoe. Let me know if you guys are even interested in this shoe, like if you're going to pass it up, if you're going to get it, if you're going to hold it, if you're going to wear them. I'm gonna wear these into the dirt. 4's are one of my favorite silhouettes, for sure. It's a timeless silhouette, man. You can't go wrong with it. I like the ones better. Jordan 1's my favorite silhouette, and then it would be followed by either a 3 or a 4. I do like the Jordan 3's a lot, but yeah, man, that's this. I just wanted to give you guys my first impressions and an early look at the Lightning 4's. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you got them. Let me know if you're getting them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video.